stop is your success. And clear negative eyes, please.
Alright guys, good morning. I'm Raquel from MH Family Adventures. And I have Dice here, and if you can't tell, we are in New York City. Well, actually Flushing, New York. But we're here near LaGuardia Airport. We have checked into our hotel, and we are preparing to board Carnival Venezia for the U.S. Inaugural sailing. So be sure to stick around for this one. So right now we're just walking, trying to find some breakfast. We got here first thing this morning. Today is the naming ceremony for Venezia. Fortunately, we won't be able to attend that, but we will be on board tomorrow, first thing in the morning. We're super excited for this one. Now, the rest of the MH family crew could not join us because they had other obligations at home. So it's just us two for this quick 4-day sailing going to Bermuda. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to stick around for everything Carnival Venezia. We're gonna take you guys on ship tours, try out different foods, and just explore the ship. All right, Dice, I want you to pick. Let's see what we're gonna do today. No peeking. No peeking. Pick one. Which one? Where are we going?
Manhattan.
All right, we're going to Manhattan. So choices were Manhattan or Harlem. All right, let's go. And we're off. We'll see what we get into today. All right, so if you're worried you don't know where you're going when you're in New York, you can easily use Google Maps. Dyson has it pulled up right here. So you would just do it like you normally would if you're trying to drive somewhere or walk somewhere. But where it has like the little icons, it has like a car and it has a bus. You can just select bus, which is public transit, and it'll give you the exact route you need to take as far as catching a bus to the subway to wherever. So that's what we're about to do. It says here that it's going to take us 52 minutes by bus and then 2 subways to get to Manhattan. So let's go. All right, so we're walking to the main station here in Flushing, and we're going to get on which one?
The 7 train.
The 7 train. So it's raining out just a little bit. We're not going to let rain stop the show, though. It's supposed to let up here in about an hour, so we'll be fine. Now we're on the train. Let's see where we're going next. Dice. Where are we going? All right, Times Square. All right, pick again.
Pick again.
It's double-sided. See? Let's go.
Sure.
The other options?
Yeah. That's
Buy souvenirs and what's the other one?
Walk.
Just walk.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, let me get on the Broadway website to see if I can find some cheap tickets for today. All the Broadway shows are at 2 p.m., so we really have to book it, literally. right, in honor of my mom and dad, I'm getting me a hot dog here in New York. I remember doing that when I was a kid, so that's what I'm having. Dyson wants pizza. So Dyson's two slices of pizza and sodas cost less than my hot dog. Good? Crunchy? Good crust? Good. Dice. M&M or Krispy Kreme? What? Krispy Kreme. They're not hot, but we'll eat them. We're in the Lena Horne Theater. Guys, I have never sat in the back going to a Broadway show or any other show. And we're like literally second row from the very top all the way in the back. That's what you get when you book last minute, spur of the moment. We're here to see Six. All right, so the show was amazing. We're gonna head back to our hotel though. We wanna get back before it gets dark. All right, guys, we made it back to our room. We've had dinner. I've been working and editing and booking cruises and things for people, but please be sure to stick around. Tomorrow we board Carnival Venezia. We're super, super excited for this Italian-inspired carnival ship, brand new to the fleet. So we will be on board for the U.S. Inaugural sailing. Please stick around. Turn that notification bell on because we will be going live. We will have some videos that we'll send out during the cruise. So again, if you're new to MH Family Adventures, welcome. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. But we're going to go ahead and call it a night. Tomorrow is cruise day.